Hello friend, welcome back. In Excel lessons, my name is Lalit and today we will learn how to apply Vlookup with the help of column function. So this is our dataset here, and in this dataset I have some employee name with their three-letter code and the shift, night shift, evening, morning and general shift, and their start timing and at which time they enter the office and which time they out the office and the total working hours, right? So now I have to apply VLOOKUP here on the basis of this is my lookup value, means their employee code, and I have to fetch the data, the name of employee and the shift, either the general, night, evening, and so on, and their start timing, in timing, out timing, and number of total working hours they have worked, right? So if I apply VLOOKUP here, so this is my lookup value, right? So I have to freeze only the column part by pressing 3 times F4, and now enter comma and then give the this table array. So this is my table array including the employee column code, and freeze this also by pressing F4. Now the magic lies here, right? So if I type 2 and then for exact match press 0 and then bracket close and then enter. So this 2 is my column number, right? In this way. So this 2 is my column number here. So at this location I need this 2 with 3. If I add 3 here, enter 3 here, so this will give me the shift column values, right? So I have seen lot of people enter just to copy this data and then go it place it here and then again re-enter 4, and in this way they do for all the rest of columns. So to solve this problem, just select, let's take one example here, press equal sign and give column and press enter. So this will return your column value, means this column is number 8 in this table. Okay, so if we copy this data here, so this will give me 9 and so on, 10, 11, 12, right? So the column B is my number 2 and column C is my third, and this is when this column D is my fourth, this fifth, and this is sixth, and this one is 7. So what I will do here is, in the place of 2 I use column. So this column will returns me 2, right? And if I will just copy this data here and here and here and here and here, so in this way I will get my result output, right? So, and don't worry, we'll take the format from here, just copy it, select this table and or ds, and from this select format and press OK. So this will format your data with the source data also, right? So in this way we can use column function inside a VLOOKUP. and hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching. And if you have not subscribed my channel, so go ahead to subscribe it, like and share with a friend also. So have a great day. Thank you.